Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to talk about a topic that concerns all of us. Reducing carbon dioxide to save the earth. Start breathing. When we breathe, we release carbon dioxide. We are murdering our earth. I'm just kidding. Fortunately, breath is not the main source of carbon dioxide. The truth is, we are harming our earth in many other different ways. Today we are talking about reducing carbon dioxide is a key part of our new lifestyle. But why we need to reduce carbon dioxide? And where does carbon dioxide come from? Carbon dioxide is one kind of greenhouse gases. And what are greenhouse gases? How climate change affects our earth? And what can we do in our daily life to protect our earth? After my speech, I hope it lies through a storm that creates ripples in your heart. Earlier, I shared a video called Men in Our Group, right? It shows how human behavior affects our earth. In order to fulfill our desire, we construct towering buildings, cut down trees, capture wild animals, and manufacture electricity devices and furniture around. Right? This video was released in 2012, and even 30 years have passed, but we are still harming our earth. This is still continuing. Let's see this video. According to data from NASA, the Earth's average temperature has been rising over the past 140 years. Why? Because humans still continue to release enormous of greenhouse gases, especially in the north. So our global temperature is getting hotter and hotter. See, in the north. What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases like a blanket cover around the earth, trapping the sun's heat. But when there are too much of greenhouse gases, the earth warms up and increasing the temperature. There are 7 main greenhouse gases in the earth, but today we are focused on carbon dioxide and methane because both of them are closely related to us, to our daily life. The biggest sources of carbon dioxide come from burning fossil fuels for electricity, manufacturing, transportation, heating, and oil by human actions. Methane is over 28 times more powerful than carbon dioxide at trapping heat. It comes from common sources like cows and other animals burning and burying flesh, rice fields. For example, humans love meat, right? Especially beef. But when raising cows means cut down trees, which help absorb carbon dioxide. And when cows eat grass, their stomach produces methane and release when they burp or fart. So that's why a slogan saying, to eat vegan to save the earth, right? This image shows the countries marked in red produce 90% of greenhouse gases. Most are developing and developed countries. So more comfortable and more convenient our life is, more greenhouse gases we produce, and including Taiwan, right? With comfort comes responsibility. What are the greatest legacy we leave to our family? House, money, knowledge, property, or experience sadly garbage. Climate change leads to water scarcity, intense drought, severe fire, flooding, rising sea level, and animals eat plastics. We have seen this phenomenon on TV, and it still continues. So what can we do in our daily life to protect our Earth? Here are some tips for you. Like unplug unused devices, save water, refuse single-use plastic, buy seasonal and local, reuse and repair, avoid meat. I will attach this picture in our group for your reference later. And I would like to share with you my action in my daily life. I have taken my container and the bags when I go to traditional markets and supermarkets and fruit vendors for over 5 years, and reuse plastic bags as many times as possible. I use soap instead of body wash to save plastic bags, plastic bottles, and carry my water bottle like everyone. Well, you don't do anything big. Tiny changes in our lives can make a difference too. In this picture, can you see a human?
Yeah.
Yes. All the creatures in the world are equal. Humans are not superior, but we have the strongest impact to our Earth. So, if you want your children and the grandchildren to see those creatures in nature, in the future, or only in a book,